Hi everyone!
Together,
PinkFong Word Power! And this is Ella and Ella's mommy from Best Family Show Ever, where we learn and play through gameplay, field trips, and a lot of other fun things. PinkFong! Oh. Ooh, we have to lemon, cherry. Cherry, lemon, banana. That's what it says.
Cherry, lemon, banana. Cherry, lemon.
Oh, yo! Okay. Choose a card.
Doll.
Doll. Yay.
I should have to dose that one. I like to be hot.
You like to be hot in some... It starts...
C.
Yes.
A-T.
C-A-T.
I got
got it?
Cat.
Wow! That was easy.
A-T.
Cat.
Cat. Oh my god, I'm fast. B.
Look.
E. E.
B.
B. I don't know. E. E.
B.
E.
B. Good. B.
B.
B. B.
C. O. W. Cow.
He's trying to trick me, yeah.
W. O. Cow.
Yeah, cow.
C. O. W. Cow.
Moo. Cow.
Hey, look, we saw the cow. Great job.
Yeah, we saw a cow. Yeah, we did. Oh.
Come on, I did not see that at all.
Apple.
Apple. Thank God I can read a little bit.
Yeah, you can.
Apple. The grapes look weird. Strawberry.
Yeah, apple, grape, and strawberry. Yay.
F. O. X.
F.
Fox.
O. X. Fox. Oh, yeah. Yes, good job. F-O-X. Fox. Look, look how nice this fox is.
P. Fox are my favorite. I.
Yeah.
G. Pig.
P-I-G.
I. Pig. P.
Pig. Good job.
G. Pig. Pig. B said pig. B.
We did?
E. B.
P. Oh, B-E-E.
B. B.
B.
B. B.
Is that spelled?
B.
What does it spell? B. Good job.
Great job.
Yay. Ooh, onion, carrot, and tomato.
Carrot. Onion.
Oh,
Tomato.
onion and tomato. Good job.
Onion.
You're recognizing the words now
Tomato.
too, right?
You're the best.
Oh, you have to look. Choose a car.
Car.
Oh, car.
George did not George the lips. I have lip.
You have lip. Ooh, this is the weather.
No, I hate this.
Snow.
No.
Oh, no. Yes, snow.
Sun.
Sun.
Rain.
Rain.
Yes, I got.
Wind.
I really forgot some of them, but I'm so good.
Yeah.
P. I.
Pig.
G. Pig.
P-I-G.
P. Pig. P.
Pig.
I.
Good job.
G.
Pig.
Looks like I'm about to spell.
Yeah, pig.
Spell. F.
You can spell.
O. X. Fox.
F-O-X.
F. O.
Oh, yeah.
F.
That's how you spell fox?
Fox.
Fox. Yeah.
That was like I put that in
Fox.
D.
Oh, look.
G.
D-O-G. Dog.
G. O. Dog. D.
Yeah, D-O-G.
I didn't try to cover my ass this time.
Oh, how are you supposed to know what it is then? Dog.
Super.
Super! Yay.
Egg.
Hey.
Carrot.
Oh, carrot. Which one's carrot?
Tomato.
No, carrot.
Carrot.
Yeah, give it. You give it to him.
Carrot.
Yeah.
Carrot.
Big bubble. Carrot.
I think I got a mosquito.
Corn.
Corn.
Tomato.
There's a difference.
Corn. Yay.
Corn. Good job.
Corn.
I like corn, but I eat
I like corn too.
But I
Tomato.
I did too juicy.
Yeah.
The juice,
Tomato.
Yeah.
which I found a video about like a song a little bit.
You did?
Super.
Okay. Yay!
E. A. C.
C.
Can you
A.
see?
S. C. S.
Yeah!
I told you I can
S-E-A-C.
spell, and I think I just crashed my bed, but I said the boot.
D. O. G. Dog.
D-O-G for dog.
G. Dog. D.
Ooh!
I
That was
told you I
easy.
can spell.
You can spell.
Dog.
Good
I
job.
think these stuff help me spell a weed.
Yeah.
S.
This game, right?
U. N. Sun.
S-U-N. Sun.
U. N. U. S. S. U. Sun.
Yay!
U.
Sun.
N.
S-U-N.
I was trying to put the U in the middle.
Sun.
Mhm.
The
Sun.
glasses are so big.
Yes, sun.
Job.
Like this. Big glasses.
Sun. Fall.
What is it?
Fall.
Yeah.
Winter.
Winter.
Nope.
Uh-oh.
Summer.
Summer.
Yeah.
I did it.
Summer.
Spring.
I did all of them.
Yay.
I'm a master of these, and now I
Yes,
look like
you are a
I look like that
master.
monster. Look at my hair.
Choose a card. Choose a
Painter.
card. Painter. You chose a painter card.
I was hoping it would be 12. Yeah, I'm gonna be a
Tree.
master.
But you are
Tree.
painting. You are a
Tree.
painter. Tree.
Then I get the lid on the bait.
Tree.
Flower. Flower.
Oh no, that's not
Tree.
flower. You're guessing.
Tree. Tree. Bee.
They have to both let the
Yeah.
two each.
Tree.
Yay.
Just put that down. Yeah. Good job.
Don't tell me the word.
Tree. Okay.
Flower. 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 Flower.
Why you like to eat
Flower.
flower bubblegum?
Flower.
Flower.
Bee.
But that's
Bee.
not flowers.
Bee.
Yeah, that's a flower. That's
I
a
thought
tulip
you said.
plant.
So you want to eat flowers?
No, it's a flower, not the other flower. You bake it.
I have a floppy hair.
Mhm. Bee.
Super.
Yay, good job. Okay, I think that's enough of this game. We learned so much words and we had so much fun, right? And we are gonna learn more with you in the next
And also
episode.
like and subscribe.
Yay, like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon for more family fun learning. Bye.
Bye bye.